Hello everyone, in this video, I will introduce to you a super high yielding mini cucumber variety. With fruits of 8 to 10 centimeters long, 35 to 50 grams. Greater than nice open plant type with small leaves. Greater than multi-fruiting variety, fruits have a smooth green skin. Greater than perfect product for snacking and salads. Seed description. Very crispy, sweet, thin skin. Fruit size 8 to 10 centimeters. High yield, start to harvest 35 days after sowing. F1 variety, seedless, specialized for cultivation in greenhouses, produces only female flowers and can produce 10 flowers per leaf axils. The tree grows strongly, has a wide adaptability spectrum, can be grown in all different climates in the world, can be grown all year round in the rainy season and the dry season. Average yield 3.5 kilograms plant. Very good resistance to powdery mildew and scab. How to increase the yield of mini cucumbers in the rainy season. You need to know the order of priority of nutrients from the photosynthesis of plants. 1. Mature seeds, fruits. 2. Peak of growth. 3. Young fruit. 4. Flowers. 5. Roots. For example, at the seedling stage, we should prune the first 5 layers of leaves, so that the plant can concentrate nutrients on the roots, to develop healthy roots. Although the root has the lowest priority, it plays the most important role. To the flowering stage, you should prune all the side shoots so that the nutrients can go into the flowers and young fruits, helping them to grow quickly and limit the fruit being shriveled and damaged. In rainy season conditions, the light is reduced by half and the light intensity is not stable. Daytime temperature is higher, humidity is higher, day and night temperature difference is less. Plant response. High humidity, little temperature difference to plants develop more leaves and buds. Low light intensity to plants have less energy plus grow more. So the plant will tend to grow vegetatively, so we have to balance it out so that the plant can grow and reproduce. At that time, your plants will bring high yield. Measures to limit plants that are too inclined to vegetative growth in the rainy season. 1. Reduce watering times, start watering later and end earlier, based on light amplitude. 2. Increase EC input. 3. Plant the right density of trees, increase ventilation in the house. Common problems in the rainy season. 1. Poor root system. Seedlings are healthy, have adequate root development before starting fruiting. Roots need oxygen, soil aeration, substrate. Check EC, pH. 2. Weak, unbalanced plants. Adjust the planting density, adjust the watering regime according to the weather every day, EC, water volume, prune the shoots. 3. Plants lack nutrients. Ensure a balance of nutrients for plants, pay attention to micronutrients, especially Bo and potassium. 4. Deformed fruit. 5. Fruits are mushy after harvest. In the next videos, I will guide you in detail about the effective fertilization, care and pest prevention process, to bring high yield and stable quality.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe.